We're at the little creek today. Very leafy. It is pretty clear though today, and pretty. Oh, I already got one. Oh, he bit at it. Come on, come back to it. Oh no! Are you seeing this, bro? I'm getting immediate strikes. Gotta let him take it. Oh yes! No! Bro, he got me all tangled too. That was a decent creek chub. Okay, let's get back. I almost can guarantee we'll catch one now that we're getting all this action. Come on. Dang, maybe not that cast. Oh, I think oh, bro. Oh, they keep taking it. Oh, big boy, big boy, big boy. Big boy. Come on. Oh, bro. This is possibly the most aggravating thing. Please, I got him. Creek chubs are just about the most annoying thing. Got him in! Finally! Oh, come on. Oh no, he fell off. Come on. Dang, look at him. Look at that. Creek chub. It's a good fish. He's actually about 8 or so inches. I mean, not gonna lie. Let's get another one. Come on. Bro, this is sketchy. Whatever will catch the fish though, right? I see a creek chub. I see him, bro. Come on, this is so sketch. Oh, did I? Yes!
Good job, good job.
Thanks. Alright, let's unhook him. Got him unhooked. Oh, he got the line tangled around him. Okay. Got this little one. He is cold. This creek is freezing. This is sketchy. It's a pretty bluegill, actually. Look at that. Pretty underbelly, pretty blue scales, pretty top. Let's let him go. Alright, this is actually turning out to be wildly successful. which I guess has me a little surprised. I didn't think it'd be this crazy.
Nationwide or local?
Nothing but a leaf. Got one. Oh, I think he might have been a little bigger. It's such a light bite. Okay, I'm gonna go down here. Oh, okay. This is a lot better, I feel like. Oh, one tried to instantly hit it. Do I have him? Oh. Got him, I think. Okay, so I have one on. Okay, we're just gonna try to draw him in. See if they instant hit it. Yep, they're instant hitting it. All these are mainly too small though. Just waiting for the big one to... Got him. Oh, I love how you guys are just like trying to get them with me. I wonder if my hook's too big. No, I got the smallest hook I have. Maybe it's too small. No, I really doubt it. I just think they're so finicky. Oh, he was running with it. How can they possibly run with it and not have it? What? It's just a matter of time until I actually get one that's... I feel like it's any time. One's just gonna really bite the hook. And I'm gonna grab them all the way in. I get them like out of the water a lot, but they're not biting over here. And I know I only spent a very little amount of time, but sometimes that's enough to know if they're biting or if they're not. And I believe that they were not. Ow. Just got stabbed. Ugh. Come on, how does this get tangled that badly?